My name is Robert Miller, and I am a partner attorney here at Smith Strong PLC. I was born right here in Richmond, Virginia in Chesterfield County. I lived in Chesterfield County until I went to Virginia Tech for my undergraduate degree, which is in history, and then I immediately went to the University of Richmond Law School and graduated from there. My high school sweetheart, actually, my wife and I have been together since we were 17. I have a set of twins that are 3, and I have a baby that is 1, but they all have the same birthday. Being a father now, I can more easily see myself in situations that some people bring themselves into, and particularly nasty custody and visitation matters. And it's just more personal now. You could really feel some of the things that your clients are telling you about and what they're feeling. You have a more personal connection with them now. What I like to say is Daddy helps people resolve issues they have. Daddy's job is to help 2 people figure out what they need to do with their lives going forward. And that's really at the root of what I do. It's figuring out how mom and dad can share custody. It's figuring out how a stay-at-home mom can have the support she needs while she finds a job. Or it's how, in the fiduciary litigation context, it's how a family that's dealing with estate issues, how can they move on from that and hopefully come back together if at all possible. Smith Strong's approach and my personal approach to trying cases and to resolving cases is that a trial means something didn't happen right along the way. You know, I personally think in most custody, visitation, divorce matters, our goal should be to resolve them. So I'm a big Lego collector. I have a Lego room at my house. I primarily collect Lego Star Wars. It's 3/4 Legos, 1/4 workout room, so there's a treadmill in there too, but it is a majority Legos, lots of sets on the shelves, lots of pieces to build things with the kids. Current collection is in the triple digits, somewhere between 100 and 150 sets.